Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. Regardless of the woodworking project you're tackling, you're going to want your workpieces to be as flat and smooth as possible. Wood planers help to achieve just that, using extremely sharp blades to eliminate rough spots, inconsistencies, and uneven surfaces. As both the former owners of a construction business and the current owners of a fixer-upper home built in the 1800s, I have used wood materials for a virtually endless array of jobs, including framing and DIY woodworking projects like refurbishing kitchen cabinet doors. We know firsthand that planers are a valuable tool in preparing wood in optimum condition.
Number 3. PL1326 Benchtop Planer.
This wood planer offers wide-ranging versatility by accommodating boards up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick. With 26 staggered HSS blades, this planer can easily create a smooth finish on any type of wood. As is typical with helical models, this type of cutterhead commands a higher price. This model has a price tag roughly $140 higher than the comparable one model with a straight blade cutterhead. Many users seem to feel it is worth the investment though, with online reviewers raving about its accuracy and easy operation. The solid, cast iron base ensures optimal stability.
Number 2. Craftsman Benchtop Planer CMEW 320.
This Craftsman wood planer is a reliable yet surprisingly budget-friendly choice in the benchtop category. The 15-amp motor can power the double-edged reversible blades at speeds of 8,000 RPM. The Poly V cutterhead drive and double-edged high-carbon steel knives enable a high degree of versatility, meaning it will easily handle any type of wood and has no trouble with glued materials. It can accommodate board widths of 12.5 inches and allows cuts of up to 1/8 inch deep. Users rave about its smooth operation and easy setup. Add a dust collection system to the built-in dust chute to minimize mess.
Number 1. DW735X 2-speed thickness planer.
This DeWalt planer is a powerful, solid workhorse that boasts 10,000 RPM speeds to power cuts up to 1/8 inch in depth. The 3-knife cutterhead design means your blades will last longer, and replacing them will be an easier process. Choose the speed that will work best for your purposes. 96 cuts per inch would be a good choice for dimensioning, and 179 cuts per inch for finishing. It boasts a sturdy 19.75 inch cast aluminum base that provides a solid, rigid foundation. The automatic carriage lock is a big help in snipe reduction. The fan-assisted chip ejection keeps chips out of the way and away from the cutterhead.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.